Hi friends, it's Erin Condren LifePlanner launch season. I went through the sneak peek page on the EC site and picked out the 7 items that I'm most excited about from the upcoming LifePlanner launch. This is such a fun and creative collection, and there's a little something for every style, so let's jump in. Let's start with the star of the show, the Erin Condren LifePlanner. This version runs from July 2025 through June 2026. Perfect for us planner lovers who prefer a summer start. This year it's available in 3 all-new designs: Hexagon, bold, bright, and colorful; Bouquet, soft florals with an earth-toned organic vibe; and Minimal, clean lines and modern simplicity for that calm aesthetic. From the sneak peek, we can already see a redesigned monthly overview page right after the calendar. The boxes have been moved around, and the new long box has been transformed into a functional monthly to-do list. Some ideas on how to use these boxes? It can be for goal setting, important dates, a monthly master to-do list, memories from the month, gratitude, and more. The second item I love are the new elevated cover designs. This launch is all about elevated design. Erin Condren is leaning into earth tones and minimalist neutrals in a really sophisticated way. Whether you're bold and bright or calm and curated, the cover options this year are stunning. Number 3 are the new dual tip marker sets. The new coordinated dual tip marker sets are such a standout. Hexagon comes with a full 12-pack, 1 for each month. Bouquet and Minimal come with curated 6-pack sets that match their exact color palettes. They're perfect for layering color into your layouts while staying true to your planner's vibe. Number 4, adjustable pen holder. There's a brand new adjustable elastic pen holder that fits up to 3 dual tip markers and slides easily onto any EC planner, A5, 7x9, even your daily duo. It comes in a variety of colors, and it's the perfect way to keep your favorite pens handy on the go. I personally like to have specific pens set aside for each planner or notebook, so having a way to keep them attached makes the accessory even more useful. Number 5, sticker books and sticker fans. The new sticker books have been completely updated with intentional designs and precise sizing that fits your planner layouts. Each sticker has a clear purpose, whether it's for goal tracking, appointments, or just a little fun. And the sticker fan is back. It's a swatch-style ring of stickers that is portable, adorable, and super usable. It's actually been my personal favorite lately because the stickers are made from a thin washi material, and I love the portability. Number 6, magnetic page markers. I'm also loving the new magnetic clips. They snap onto your page and double as a bookmark or section divider. They're simple, sleek, and really satisfying to use. It looks like there are 2 sets, one in colorful tones and one in pastel colors. Last but definitely not least, the premium planning pack. This zip-around pouch has a mesh pocket for cords or washi, elastic loops for your favorite pens, and it now comes in a beautiful light blue shade. And it has elastic strap around the back so you can wrap it around your planner. It's super functional and also really cute. Those are my top 7 picks I'm most excited about in this year's Erin Condren launch. Let me know in the comments which ones you're eyeing and if you're planning to grab something on launch day. LifePlanner launch day is April 21st for EC insiders and April 22nd for everyone else. I'm now a part of the EC creator team, and the select few of us will be receiving full launch boxes ahead of time, hopefully later this week so I can film, and I'll be sharing my unboxing on Monday, April 14th. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see what's inside, because there might be a few surprises I'll be sharing then too, so stay tuned. If you plan to shop the launch, I'd love it if you use my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it really helps support my channel and content, and it means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!